What's going on, boys? Welcome back. Today I got a banger for y'all. I'm at the Factory Z headquarters. I heard they got the new Eride Pro Mini. We're gonna find that Look at it. Bro, they have a bike on the ceiling here. Anyways, let's go find this Eride Pro Mini, get it out the crate, and see what it can do. Eride Pro Mini, where are you? I found it, let's go! Eride Pro Mini. Now to get it in the truck and put it together. We made it to the crib, boys. Time to get her out the box. Hell yeah! Boys, this thing looks just like a 3.0 or an SR, and they just like shrunk it down. This looks so sick. I can't wait to ride this thing. Cue the bike building montage now. There we have it, boys. The Eride Pro Mini is all put together. And if you look at its big brother, the Eride Pro SR, there is quite a few similarities and quite a few differences. Overall, the Eride Pro Mini looks so good. I gotta say, this has to be one of the best looking minis by far. Looks pretty similar. Just kind of looks like they took the SR and just shrunk it down a little bit. I really like the Kenda tires. That's a nice touch. Of course, you got the Fast Ace fork. You got the nice wide bicycle style pegs, just like the Eride Pro SR has. Enough talking about the bike. Let's jump on it and see what it can do. So first things first, of course, we got to rip the Factory Z track real quick. Whoa, whoa. So previously, the Strike Shadow had the fastest time on the Factory Z track. I'm thinking the Eride Pro Mini is gonna have it fairly beat. If you guys think we should do a video racing all of our different mini bikes around the Factory Z track here, we'll make a little bit of a set in stone course. Comment down below. Maybe next video, we'll get that going. Look at all of those brakes. Ultra B front brake assembly, Gen 1. Rear brake assembly, Gen 1. OEM Sur-on Ultra B assemblies in stock. Shop Factory Z. I think we should take her to my wheelie pad and oh my God. Damn, bro, that was a good save. Holy cow. Time to get some wheelies going down. Oh yes, bro. Oh, okay. So guys, this is the track that I started building. Yeah, so it's a bit of a pond right now, but eventually we're gonna have a pretty crazy track out here. Oh, this stuff is wet. Oh, it's wet. I'm wearing a pink hoodie. This thing's gonna be wrecked. Oh, okay. Swerving on him. Oh, oh my God, bro. This thing bunny hops. Little one-hand coaster. Guys, I don't know if I can hand drag this bike. Oh, it's so scary. This is actually pretty cool. I wasn't sure if the Eride Pro app was gonna work with the Mini or not, but it sure does. So you got tune for eco, you can do max speed, max power, sport, you got max speed, max power. The one I'm most excited about is the throttle acceleration curve, which on the SR, I don't think you could change, at least not last time I tried, because it needed it bad. But that's dope that the Mini has it. And reverse, you can set your top speed as well. Over here, you got kickstand and tilt sensor, brake sensor, oh, motor temp sensor, parking, and oh, regen strength, cool. Turn that to 50%. So this might look, oh shit. Yeah, this might look like it's a lake, but this is actually my yard. This is a terrible idea. Oh yeah, dude, I'm not gonna get there at all. I was gonna say, let's try to get out to the trees. Oh my God, oh, my shoes are soaked. Damn it, boys. Now we have to send it. I'm gonna turn around and full speed and see how far we can get. Oh, yo, guys, we got freaking reverse. Oh my God, boys. Oh my God. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Oh, this is literally a lake. Holy shit. Oh my God. This is insane, boys. Oh my God. Oh no, we're getting stuck. Oh, it's literally ice. The ground is straight ice, boys. Oh my God. This is the perfect thumbnail though. I gotta get a thumbnail quick and then we're gonna continue. Alrighty boys, thumbnail secured. Uh-oh. Oh no, we're good. Bro. Woo! Oh my God, dude, this is actually insane. Bro, this is just a slushy, snowy catastrophe. Uh-oh, it's so deep. Uh-oh. There we go, there we go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, my legs are so cold. The bike is frozen. In case you guys were wondering, I had zero intentions of going into the lake. Oh, shit. I had no intentions of doing that, but it was awesome and I don't regret it. Even though I'm frozen right now, I'm gonna go get in a hot shower, boys. Little top speed on the snow action. Woo! We're only going 20 right now. I'm wondering if my battery's a little dead, maybe. Woo! Oh, shit, that's barbed wire fence. I didn't even know that. Woo! Well, that was wild and crazy, boys. We did a lot more than I was planning on doing. Oh, my back brake is frozen. All right, I need to get off the bike. Comment down below what y'all think of the Eride Pro Mini. Would you buy one? If you do want to buy one, shop Factory Z, and don't forget to use code Zilly. Save yourself 5% at checkout. And I'm gonna see you boys in the next one. Peace.
Maybach music.